In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Shopify store theme. This process is straightforward, yet essential if you want to make sure your hard work is always preserved. Whether you're making design changes, preparing for a big update, or simply wanting to have a backup. Let's get started with this simple guide. First, look at your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in and ready, cast your gaze over to the left-hand side where you'll see a range of options. What you want to do here is click on Online Store. This is where all the magic happens, as it's not only about showcasing your products, but also about how your store interacts with visitors. Under Online Store, you'll find various subsections, but today we're focusing on themes. After selecting themes, you'll find yourself in a space where the visual identity of your store comes to life. At this point, you'll be able to see the current theme your store is using. On this screen, look for a small icon resembling 3 dots. This icon symbolizes more options, and it's neatly tucked away to let you further control and manage your theme. Once you've located the 3 dots icon, give it a click. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears, offering you several choices. From these options, you want to select Download Theme File. What this does is prompt Shopify to package up your entire theme into a convenient zip file. It's important to note that downloading your theme in this manner ensures that every little detail, customization, and tweak you've applied is safely stored in one file. Now, you might be wondering, where does this file go? Shopify takes the hassle out of this by sending the zip file directly to the email address you've connected to your account. So, make sure you're checking the right inbox and keep an eye out for an email from Shopify. This is a great system because it means your theme file is safely stored outside of the Shopify platform as well, providing a crucial layer of security and peace of mind. And truly, that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you have now backed up your Shopify theme and ensured that you have a copy of it readily available. You can rely on this method whenever you're making significant changes or want to ensure your current design is safely preserved. Thanks for sticking with me through this quick tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, or drop a comment below. Until next time, happy selling!